Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your pal George Corbin here on another episode of A Dude, a Brew, and a Hat. I went ahead and changed it up to my favorite German hat here, a German fedora, I guess we'll call it. I got this new button here that I'll show you later, and I'm quite proud to wear it this fall season, this fall harvest season. And today I will actually be trying Pumking Imperial Pumpkin Ale for my pal, historian David Lee. This is a Southern Tier Brewing Company seasonal, and they claim that it is pumpkin pie in a glass. Now, I'm going to be honest here, I've yet to try a pumpkin beer that I fancied. I did try, I believe it was the New Belgium one, the one that had a little bit of some freaking spice in it, a little bit of kick of some pepper in there. That was alright, but the spice was too much. But enough about that. It's time for me to crack this brew. What we got? Go Gadget freaking beer cap opener thingy. And of course I got myself a clean glass. Oh, ding. Already love the color of it. It's got that nice pumpkin-y, orangey, you know, what you expect in the glass. Kind of an Oktoberfest-ish kind of color. Hey, it does smell good. It smells sweeter than I'd expect. I'm going to try it out. Whoa, hold up. There's so many flavors immediately. I don't even know what to say. Well, I'm sold. When they say pumpkin pie in a glass, they're not freaking kidding. This is like a chai tea beer. What do we got? Alcohol is 8.6% by volume, so it's a good alcoholic freaking. It's nice and boozy. That's what I'm trying to say here. 8.6. I'd say you get a 6-pack, share between a pal or two, and have yourself one heck of a night. What am I going to give this? On the pumpkin beer scale, I'm going to give this freaking thing 5 pumpkins. This is a pumpkin beer. 5 definitely. Without further ado, I'm your pal George Corbin, and I'm freaking out. That's goddamn delicious.